Academy, our daily current affairs, including GS and GK. The first question: what is Global Livability Index 2024? The Economist Intelligence Unit, that is EIU, just released its most recent Global Livability Index, which won against named Vienna, Austria as the best places to live in world. The 2024 index, which came out today, rates down around the world based on things like education, healthcare, culture, and the environment. Environment, stability, and the infrastructure. The next question: what is Critic GPT? Critic GPT is a powerful AI tool made using OpenAI's GPT-4 model. It was made to make it easier for AI judges to find makes in ChatGPT code. One of the most important One of the most important things this tool does to improve the accuracy and stability of code is to find bugs that reviews might miss. The next question: DRDO's Abhyas completes 6 successful trials. Abhyas Abhyas is a high-speed expandable aerial target, that is HEAT, that was made by the Aeronautical Development Establishment, that is ADE, in Bangalore, India, for the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. Its main job is to make fake enemy plans so that defense system can practice. DRDO recently tested Abhyas 6 times at the Integrated Test Range in Chandipur, Odisha, and all of them went well. So this test looked at a better booster setup that made by the system work better and to be more reliable. The next question: who is Vikram Misri, India's new foreign secretary? Vikram Misri has been named India's new foreign secretary. He will start his new job on July 15th. Vinay Mohan Quadra's term was expanded by 6 months earlier this year, and the selection comes after it. A government statement from the Personnel Ministry says that appointment committee of the cabinet gives its approval for the appointment. Mr. was promoted by his duty as National Security Advisor, that is NSA. Were also cut back. The next question: China's 5 principles of foreign policy. The 5 principles of peace coexistence were set up in 1954 in a deal between China and India. This year, this year marks their 70th anniversary. The event will be held in Beijing and it will be led by the Prime Minister Li Qiang. President Xi Jinping will give the opening speech. The next question: Artificial Intelligence Preparedness Index 2024. India stands at 72nd rank. The International Monetary Funds, that is IMF, just released a full Artificial Intelligence Preparedness Index, that is AIPI, dashboard. This tool will sort and rank 174 countries around the world based on how ready they are to use AI. The next question: ESA develops zero debris satellite. The deal between the 3 leaders in the European space industry, Airbus Defence and Space, OHB, and Thales Alenia Space, and the European Space Agency, that is ESA. It was a big step forward in getting rid of space junk, large platforms for satellites in low Earth orbit, that is LEO. That makes zero debris guidelines are being built thanks to these contracts. The next question: RBI receives SARC currency spam framework for 2024 to 2027. A new system for currency swap between SARC countries has been set up, covering the years 2024 to 2027. This is a big update from the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. This project is meant to help the member countries of their currency swap framework between 2024 to 2027. The next question: world's first Asian King Vulture Center. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has started building the world's first center for protecting and raising the Asian king vulture, and also called as the red-headed vulture in Maharajang. The species has been on the International Union for Conservation on Nature's Red List since 2007 because it is in grave danger. This project aimed to save it. Next question: World Investment Report 2024. India's FDI falls 43% in 2023. India's FDI falls on 43% in 2023 and standard ranked with 15th in UNCTAD. Foreign Director Minister FDI around the world went down by 2% in 2023 compared to 2022. The drop varies from the countries to country, with big drops seen in India, China, France, Australia, and the USA. The 2024 World Investment Report from the United Nations Conference on the Trade and Development goes into the great depth about this trend. The next question. What is micro school? What is micro school? Let's see what is micro school. The United States and the United Kingdoms are where micro schools have become more common. This change in educational reference preference because clear during the COVID-19 pandemic. These small private schools have fewer students than regular classes, so each student can get a more personalized education. Next question. Sub-Saharan Africa faces major energy equity challenges. That who have given this report? WEF has given this report that Sub-Saharan Africa faces major energy equity challenges. The 14th version of the World Economic Forums, that is WEF report, Fostering Effective Energy Transition 2024 was released on June 19, 2024 in partnership with the Essentials. This study shows how hard it is for sub-Saharan Africa to get fair access to energy and how important it is to make sure that energy transition is fair to everyone. The next question. Who was Suchitra Kripalani? Kripalani. Who was Suchitra Kripalani? Suchitra Kripalani is a very important figure in Indian politics because she was the first woman to be chief minister of an Indian state at Uttar Pradesh from October 2nd, 1963 to March 13, 1967. She was in office. At the time she took office, there was a lot of challenges in politics, mostly because of the Kamaraj plan, which aimed to bring Congress leadership back to life in all states. Next question. One MCQ. Which country approved National Research Foundation, that is NRF, Bill 2023? Option B, India. The Union Cabinet of India approved the introduction of the National Research Foundation NRF Bill 2023 in the state parliament. The approval bill will pave the way to establish National Research Foundation NRF that will promote research and development and promote a culture of research and innovation throughout the India's university, colleges, research institutes, and the laboratories. A GK question for you. Today's GK question. What is the name of what is the name of the type of electricity traffic which includes the lower traffic during daytime and higher rates during peak hours? The options are differential time minus basic traffic, dynamic electricity traffic. The option C, traffic electricity traffic, static electricity traffic, peak power traffic. Comment this answer in chat box.